Hey divas, welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Main, and I am so glad you decided to press play on this here video because today's look is a very quick look. I made this extremely beginner friendly and it is a talk through, and I wanted to show you how to create just a quick smoky eye using only 2 colors. And not only that, I kept it extremely beauty on a budget for you guys. So I used the Wet n Wild palette, which is the color Rose in the Air. Yeah, Rose in the Air. And these are some gorgeous, gorgeous pigmented colors. If you guys are ever or were ever questioning Wet n Wild and like, oh my goodness, it's only $5. Is this gonna work? Yes. Wet n Wild has been stepping their game up even more lately. Like, they were stepping it up a few years ago. Now they're like really trying to keep up with the high end. So these are extremely pigmented colors, as you can see, and this bad boy is only $5. You can get it at your Walmart, you can get it at Target, anywhere. Thank you for interrupting my introduction. I know Brubba's coming. Brubba's here. So anyways, since she just ruined everything, if you want to see how I got this quick smoky eye look, then why don't you just go ahead and do yourself a favor and continue to watch. Until next time, divas. Okay, so first things first, we're going to put down an eyeshadow base. I am using a cream concealer as a base. And this is to get the color that we are applying to stick to this concealer and just show up a lot more pigmented. We're going to go into this palette, the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air, and we are going to use this dark rose color. And we are going to pat this directly on top of the base. Now that we have the entire base covered with shadow, I'm going to go back into the palette and using the exact same color, I'm going to place this right in the crease of my eye. I'm just going to raise it up a little further. Now this is where blending comes in. See these lines? Extremely harsh, uneven. I mean, you can leave it like this if you want, but I believe in blending. So we're going to take a loose, fluffy blending brush and we are going to blend out these harsh lines. Just using windshield wiper motions, back and forth and back and forth. Now we're going to take a different fluffy blending brush and we are going to blend out this eyeshadow just a little bit more, and we're going to use this bottom color right here. It's like a orangey brown. It's the transition color, and we are going to blend out the rose color. We're going to blend it out, but we're not going to let the color go all the way to the brow bone. And with this, the mistakes and the fallout and everything, we're going to take a makeup remover wipe. You singing your ABCs, mama? And you can take a makeup remover wipe and we are just going to clean that up, get that line looking a little bit more precise. Now off camera, I'm going to do my foundation, concealer, contour, all of the above, and then I will be back to show you what I do to smoke out the bottom of my eyes. So next I'm going to add a black eyeliner in my waterline. and I'm going to take a small dense can't even speak. I'm going to take a small and dense blending brush, and I am going to use the same color that's on my lid, this rose color, dark rose, oops, pointing at the brown, the dark rose color, and I'm just going to go ahead and just smoke out and blend out right underneath my lash.